Callison. So we should have done this during the honorary time, but so be it. So we've already talked about Mercury in Scorpio. I think so. Talking very straightforward, and I really wish Abby was at the Minton, before she moved over to Mrs. Tenson's Minton. And when you did the little impressions of the different signs, you said I sound like when you're doing Scorpio, you said that I sound like I'm pissed, but I'm just telling the truth. And the interesting thing about it is I've known several Scorpios and they don't sound that way. But I certainly know Abby, and she's not one, and she sounds like that when she talks. So I really don't understand Scorpio. And I know that you're a Libra, so that checks out. So yes, because it says Sun in Libra. So Venus is in Sagittarius. So Venus, as you know, is the sign that rules Taurus and also Libra. And also, there's also, I was talking about weak or lacking element. There's maybe if you lack a certain zodiac sign, like no one has all the signs in their chart. So I don't want to go through all the signs, but I want to specifically talk about if you don't have any Taurus in your chart. Then one of the things that those people need to tap into is, really slowing down, maybe if they don't have a lot of earth in their chart, or grounding down, plans, stabilities, being steady, and also personal security, and also tapping into the sensual and the finer things and the very simple pleasures of life, like food and family and nature and all those things. Those people lack kind of the just the more sensual appreciation. Not that they probably don't have it, but I want to say that Libra would make up for if you don't have any earth in your chart, because Libra is a more grounded air sign. So let me see here. So exactly. Now, I want to talk about Venus and Sagittarius. So Venus, as you know, rules, is the planet of love. It is the planet of ruling all friendship. Venus is a very, very affectionate planet, a very, also a generous planet, very beautiful one. And also, it also rules fun and joy. So Venus and Sagittarius is, Venus rules what you care about most. So Venus and Sagittarius is really loving and finding beauty in and caring about things like higher learning, adventure, freedom, travel, all of those types of things, and being independent, and really having fun and living life to the fullest and not wanting to be tied down. So do you have anything to add to? Okay, I'm going to have you go over after I go through Mars. So Mars is in Sagittarius, so Mars and Sagittarius. I want to talk about Mars and Sagittarius. I have Mars opposite your Mars sign. So I have Mars in Gemini. And Gemini and Sagittarius, I would consider, looking at these two terms, it does bond because they're opposite signs, but I think that it's more of a bonding than a complementing, because Gemini and Sagittarius are very, very similar signs, and they would in a relationship, if you put a Gemini and a Sagittarius together, they would get along amazing. At least they should. So Mars in Sagittarius or Mars in Gemini is Mars, that is very, very excitable and very energetic and very, very, enthusiastic, kind of clumsy, kind of all over the place a little bit. Again, wanting, to adventure, wanting to, be free, wanting to, so Sagittarius is the ode of the fire, so wanting to travel, really. So, those are those two. Okay, we're going to be, maybe, moving down the chart a couple of days. I just want to go over, a little bit of that so that you can at least see, what that, looks like. Now, let's see here. Is there anything that we should do? Yes, right now I'm going to have the Everlast people meet this afternoon, after I probably have, what's it called? American History group, on the American Revolution, just a little session type thing. If you want to join, sign up for that, then I think that'll be this afternoon, okay? And also I'm going to be having, the math group come in tomorrow sometime. And Cancer Clubbers will also be meeting this afternoon, at about, say, I don't know. But we'll find a time for that. So actually, here's what's going to happen. I said Cancer Clubbers is going to be meeting tomorrow. Everlast People is going to be meeting at 1:30. Actually, that's going to be the Revolutionary War American History group is going to be meeting at 1:30 at about 3:30. Then that's going to be the Everlast. So that's how it's going to work. I need to get ready and take Zach to the Minton headquarters so that we can record what we need to record. Yes. Oh, that is not till, that's not till, not till the end of this month. So they said something like July 27th or something. So that's what they're planning on. The end of the month is really when they have to get stuff cleaned out. Probably for the next month. Okay, so they said monthly, the Mintons are going to come over and volunteer to help organize and clean up for that kind of thing, but it's not going to be now. Thank you for asking, though. Wonderful, everybody. You can return to your morning duties and your morning classes and everything, or whatever you have. Thank you very, very much.